This beef dish is so delicious. I will show you step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. First, we are going to marinate the beef. Add salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. And give it a Thai massage. Before I forget, I would like to know, where are you watching us from? I want to thank you all. Rest it for 30 minutes. Now pour cooking oil on a heated pan. Add 1 stick of cinnamon to bay leaves, 4 to 5 cardamoms, 4 to 6 cloves depending on your quantity of meat. Add chopped onion when aroma comes out. Stir fry until brown color. I'm sure you must get the beautiful aroma now. Onions are brown now, so I will add the pre-marinated beef. Now mix it well. Guys, this is a South Asian well-known beef curry, which is so delicious. For this recipe, you need beefs with bones. I'm mixing everything well with the help of a spatula. Guys, there is a nice aroma of fried onion which spreads among the beef curry. Leave it for 10 minutes and stir often. You can see water comes from the meat. Now add 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Stir and mix it well. Meanwhile, we will make a paste of onion and green chili. In a grinder, add half onion and 3 green chili and make a paste. Now add the paste. Stir well. Wait for 5 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix everything well. Add garam masala powder. Mix, mix, mix. Cover and cook it for 20 minutes. Now you can see the nice color that looks so yummy. on medium heat. Cover it for another 10 minutes. When oil separates, add water to cook the meat properly. Taste the beef if it's cooked or not. If not, add some water and cook it until the beef gets soft. Add fried onion before covering. I'm adding some more water. Cover it and wait for more 10 to 15 minutes. Wow! Look at that! Almost done. I am going to garnish it with garam masala powder and fried cumin powder. First, spread some garam masala powder, then some fried cumin powder. Mix and leave for 1 minute. My beef curry in Bengali style is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with rice, fried rice, and paratha bread or tortilla roti. Guys, it's so delicious. You can make it at home. Stay connected with Yummy Homemade channel for more recipes. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share. Bye!